Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change your payment method in Google AdSense in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Google AdSense account. Simply search Google AdSense and click on the first link and sign in with your Google credentials. Once you are in, navigate to the Payments section. You will find this in the left-hand menu. Click on it to proceed. Now, click on Payment Info or Manage Payment Methods, depending on your account layout. This will bring you to a page where you can manage how you get paid. To add a new payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. Enter your bank account details carefully, including the account number, bank name, and IFSC or SWIFT code if required. If you are updating an existing method, simply click the edit icon next to the payment method you would like to update. Once you have entered or updated the details, don't forget to hit save. If you have if you have added a new bank account, Google may send a small deposit to verify the account. Just enter the exact amount in the verification field to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully changed your payment method. Payments will now be processed to the account or method you have set up. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides. See you next time. Thanks for watching.